Buenos dias, señoras y señores, and welcome to beautiful Barcelona, with its colorful flower shops and bird sellers. Touch history with a monument to Columbus. And for the most scenic vistas, take the cable car from the harbor area to beautiful Montjuic. Enjoy your day.
Antonio, the car is waiting.
May I meet you this afternoon?
Jose Lorca is expecting us this morning.
Santa Maria is so small. I wonder how Christopher Columbus did it.
Why don't we go down this way?
I think we should go this way, not that way.
But over here, you know, I thought I...
Next on our list of sights, over there.
Let me see that. Hey, no, there's a great cafe down.
It's down there.
I'll see you later. I'm hungry, guys.
All right.
That is. That's the Museum of Fine Arts on top of Montjuic. And there beyond us is the Piazza di Spagna. It was built as part of the 1929 World Exposition. Those towers at the far end, they're copies of the famous clock tower in St. Mark's Plaza in Venice.
Who needs a guidebook with you around?
Have you been to Barcelona before?
Oh, no, I've just read about it. I've dreamed of traveling. I'm discovering it's much better to be out living life than just reading about it.
Well, how about a picture of the three of you?
You wouldn't mind?
I'd love it. Come on, Mark.
I'm not much for pictures. You two go ahead if you want.
Fire away.
Smile, Laura.
That won't be hard.
Thank you.
Oh, Ace, I'm really glad you wanted to see the city, too. But in a cable car?
Oh, look at it this way. You get to see all the sights at once. Oh, wow.
Oh, you're right. What a wonderful view.
Ah, there's the cathedral.
It's magnificent.
Yeah.
And that must be the National Museum. You know, Antonio told me about these places last night. He described them so clearly, I almost feel as if I've been here before. You know, he wants to be a writer. I think he'd be wonderful.
A writer?
Uh-huh.
What does his grandfather think about that?
His grandfather? What are you talking about?
Well, I just assumed Antonio was going to go into the family business.
You've lost me.
Carlos Belmonte, the famous torero that you've been interviewing?
Antonio is his grandson?
The next great torero of the family, Antonio Belmonte. His father was killed in the ring 10 years ago, gored by a bull. I'm sorry, I thought everyone knew.
No, not quite everyone.
Well, you play your cards right, he might dedicate a bull to you in the ring.
That's everything I know about rare and unusual eating habits.
I appreciate you sharing these insights with me. And I hope you won't think me presumptuous, Miss Hendricks, but you're broke, aren't you?
Broke? Moi? That's a laugh. I'll have you know, I have 150 pesetas.
150? I'm impressed. There are 153 in a dollar.
And I'm broke. However, I'm embarking on a whole new career, giving guided tours of Barcelona to handsome Americans at ridiculously low prices. And you, Isaac Washington's first in line.
Well, you know what they say, timing is everything.
So, Mrs. Encyclopedia, tell us about that.
It's called the Sacred Family Church, and it was designed by the great Spanish architect Antonio Gaudi. It's been under construction since 1881, and it still has 100 years to go before it's finished.
Oh, and I can see why. Look at that workmanship. Dana, walk with me.
Sacred Family Church. Seems kind of ironic, doesn't it?
Well, you two seem to be getting along famously.
Like mother and daughter? She's a wonderful girl. She's everything a mother could ask for. But after all the years we've missed...
Laura, put the past behind you. Think of the years yet to come.
I can't believe Laura. She knows everything.
I don't like her tagging along with us everywhere. Tagging along with you, actually.
Oh, she's just lonely. What's the harm in us spending a little time with her?
Because it's taking away time from us. From you and me.
Mark, I think you're jealous.
Jealous? Of someone as common as she?
Mark.
Okay. Okay. That probably wasn't very kind. I just mean that you're the only one I want to spend time with. I love you.
Let's catch up with him.
Eddie, I am glad I came with you today.
Oh, you sound surprised that we're having a good time.
Not only that I am.
Oh.
Oh, is there anything more exciting than flamenco dancing?
Actually, yes. Flamenco ice skating.
Ooh.
Ha, it's a joke.
Don't you ever take anything seriously.
I take you seriously.
That's a little too serious.
I can't help it. I'm cursed with honesty.
Really?
Would I lie?